Hello, comrades, ladies and gentlemen. This is Comrade Colonel Vile. One moment, the dogs are having it out. Little distraction here. Stop it, puppies. This is my temporary living quarters. It's a back porch. Hey, I got a spa. I'm gonna have to fix it one of these days, but hey, got something else we can fix here. You're all familiar with my new toy, the Rough Rider 22 single action revolver. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to disassemble it. I can do it pretty fast. It's hard while holding the camera, so I'm going to try to set it down at maybe some kind of angle. Let me find something to stand in. Where's this fire truck? There's a fire truck here. That might work. Okay. Alright, that works horrible. Totally unbalanced. God damn, I can't ever make a video right. You know, I really should think these things through before doing them. This will work. Okay, we got a stack of DVDs here. And playing a little Grand Theft Auto, not San Andreas, but Vice City Stories. Got all my shit. This stupid ass dog just ran right into the door. Go. Alright, okay, here we go. So, we are going to disassemble this pistola. Alright, so we are familiar with most of the mechanisms. The hammer, the cylinder, the bullet latch, the shell ejector, okay, so the first thing you want to do is half cock that pistol. You see this button here? That's the cylinder release. You hold that down, and here's the cylinder pin. So you hold down that, the cylinder pin slides out like that, and now you open the latch here, push it forward. There's the cylinder, nice and clean. I just cleaned it a billion times earlier today. So now here's the pistol without the cylinder. I'm free to clean it, shove a rod down there and shove a rod down here, lubricate it, and to reassemble it is just as easy. Just reverse the process. Stick the cylinder back in there like so, close the latch on that side, but you want to fully lower the hammer, stick the cylinder piece back in, hold the cylinder release, and it slides in, and just like that it's fully functional again. Pretty fast, huh? Easy. So easy a child could do it. A monkey can do it. Hold on a sec here. Alright. That's right, baby. Do it faster if it weren't at such an awkward angle. That's 6 shots right there in like 2 seconds with the single action. Not too bad, huh? So there you have it. That's a disassembly of the good old single action army, or single action Rough Rider 22. Great pistol. Very reliable, easy to maintain. It's relatively affordable. It's not too common with modern gun fanatics, but as you know, I'm an old-fashioned kinda guy. Like old-fashioned shit, so yeah. Who needs a fucking Glock with 20 round clips if you can't shoot worth shit? All you need is 6 bullets. Actually, all you need is 1 bullet. And then bang, just like that. You might need 2 just in case, you know. 1 in the head, 1 in the heart. You might want to add 4 actually. 2 in the head, 2 in the heart. And closed casket for them, huh? And when all else fails, well, this makes a good hammer, you know. If you don't have a hammer nearby, and there's a very uncooperative fellow, like a nail, you just pound this fucker in and get yourself a tool. See, it's not only for shooting people or animals or cans. You can do just about anything with the gun. Why am I rambling? This video's over. I did what I set out to do. So, with that, comrades, I salute thee. And yes, I need a haircut and a shave. So, have a good night. Bang.